Accused serial rapist Sean Williams has been offered a plea deal in his child pornography production trial. That's breaking news this afternoon. Thanks for joining us. I'm John Jenko. Williams, a former downtown Johnson City business owner, faces 3 federal counts of enticing a minor to engage in sexually explicit conduct for the purposes of manufacturing child pornography. He was also convicted of escape in federal court earlier this year. ABC Tri-Cities' Ansley Daniel is live at the federal courthouse in Greenville. Ansley, any word right now on a decision with that plea deal, and what would that mean for Williams?
Yeah, John, no word yet on the decision of the plea deal, but we just learned about that plea deal this morning. Prosecutors had considered one with Sean Williams, but Williams says that he never knew about it. If he does accept this, the sentence would be 55 years with no possibility of parole. Any pending or future cases, state or federal, with guilty findings would not add to that time. However, that doesn't mean the state can't prosecute Williams, just that any other sentences imposed would run concurrent to the 55 years. Judge Ronnie Greer decided to give Williams until noon today to decide about that deal. It would put the 53-year-old behind bars until he is 108. It would also make the trial scheduled to start in about an hour at 1:30 this afternoon unnecessary. Now, prosecution says this is a take it or leave it proposition, which means there is no room for negotiation on what is being offered. Of course, we expect to have an update around 1:30 whether or not this plea deal has been accepted, and of course we'll bring you the latest as soon as we have it. John?
Ansley, thank you. And of course, once we have the results of that plea deal, we will have it on WJHL.com. And this is a case that we've followed closely for years. You can read all about the Sean Williams case on our website, WJHL.com.